feeling too small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm
My hair froze over here.
spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna
While waiting for the car to heat up, I walked around the property and just can't wait to stare at this glow on the mountain. It's so awesome. I mean, look at that. It's like so gorgeous right here. This is still the view from our hotel room. I just have to walk out of the lobby and then this is what you see. I'm just doing a little bit of exploring around the hotel room here. If you're curious about where we're staying for this trip, we're staying in Canmore. And I picked Canmore originally because it's slightly cheaper to stay here compared to Banff. Plus it feels like it's a little more quiet around here, which is a plus. I don't like it to be that crowded. Around here is like quiet, calm, beautiful scenery. I'm gonna head out real quick to buy some water because we're running out of water in our hotel room to drink. So yeah. This is the daily commute around here. Amazing.
look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
Wow, even the Safeway here has gorgeous view outside. We're not 100% sure where we're going yet today, but I did look up this place called, let's see, I forgot what it's called. Let me look it up again. Trolls Falls and Hay Meadows. It's really close by from our hotel, and we'll try give it a go and see how that place looks like.
Alright, here we go. We're going on Troll Falls trailhead. Luna's cold today, so she doesn't want to walk. Whee! Hi, Luna.
We are about halfway on our hike, and then we came across this view right here on our trail. Look at that! You have to see this. Woo! Right, Luna? When it comes to exploring with a 2-year-old like Luna, Sometimes she's happy. She will just walk the whole trail, and sometimes this is what just what she wants to do, being carried.
Wow.
Wow.
Good job. Good job.
Wow.
Is that Daddy?
Hmm?
Is this it?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so. This is it. We made it back from that Trolls Falls hike. The hike was fairly easy. Currently snacking on jerky. My families are staying in the car having lunch. I decided to take my lunch to the lake. It's a Popeyes, and this is halal too. I'll show you what it is. I'll explain a little bit later. So I'm actually standing on the lake here having lunch. Oh, it's windy. Anyway, awesome. My hands are getting freezing, so I think I'm gonna run back to the car now. Whew. I didn't have my gloves earlier. My fingers are actually freezing. We just had finished our lunch here in Banff. It's actually in Banff, right by the Vermillion Lake. Gorgeous lake. I actually walked on the lake. Although I don't know if it's that safe, so I didn't stay that long. I just walked in a little bit and then ran back to the car. Now we're about to try to make an attempt to go to the hot spring. We'll see if we can get in this time, and because again it's a first come first serve, no appointments kind of thing. Are you happy? Woo.
Look at Daddy.
My hair froze over here.
Daddy.
Wow, look at Luna's hair is also froze. So it's still about -3 Fahrenheit outside today. It feels warmer than the days before, but it's still very cold. So cold that my short froze. So I just finished with the hot spring, walking back to the car, but can't help to notice that my pants dried, froze. Awesome. I mean, look at this. Not sure what else we're gonna do today because I'm really tired. Well, not really tired, but tired. I think we might be just checking out one more lake and then we're gonna have dinner. Even though it's only 4:30 right now, but I'm feeling hungry for some reason, even though I just had lunch not too long ago. Okay, we just came back from the hot spring and then we got back to Banff. We're gonna have dinner here. There's like a little strip mall.
Hello, Diana.
So we found this restaurant called Chopstick, and they have some like warm noodle soup that we decided to try because it's so cold outside. I'm like in the mood of some soup, so we're currently here waiting on a table, wait for the food to come. Right, Luna? Can you say hello?
Hello.
No.
Two. Two cupcake. How many of this one?
3.
3.
4.
Yeah.
5.
Here I ordered seafood laksa. It looks really good because I'm hungry, even though I just ate not too long ago. Okay, we just had dinner. We just had dinner. You want gendong? Bye, Luna.